In this video, we will discuss how to mark volunteers as no-shows. By default, CERVIS assumes that volunteers attend the shifts for which they are registered, even if they do not sign in. The system will automatically assign them the credit hours for those shifts. To help ensure that volunteers are not receiving credit for shifts that they did not actually attend, you can use this feature to mark no-shows. Start by clicking on Search Manage Existing Opportunities from the main dashboard. Next, select the event or events for which you would like to mark volunteers as having not showed up for their shift. Near the bottom of the page, click the drop-down and select Mark No-Show Volunteers Groups, then click the button to the left of the drop-down with the same name. This menu allows you to view a list of all volunteers who did not sign in for a shift in the selected event or events that have already taken place. You can then select the volunteers that you know did not attend their shift to mark as no-shows. You can also sign in volunteers or unregister them from the event. If you mark a volunteer as a no-show, they will be unregistered from the event, and a note will be placed in their profile stating that they were marked as a no-show for that particular shift or event. This allows you to search by how many no-shows a volunteer has had.